All right, Insta360 now has two different camera models which are capable of pairing to a headset, the X4 and the Ace Pro, which means you can pair any Cardo model to either one of those cameras and not only capture your voice directly onto the video footage, but also control the camera by using its built-in voice commands like take a picture, start recording, stop recording, all from the headset. So I'm gonna show you how to pair these together, and then I'm gonna show you a little workaround that allows you to capture the entire conversation of a DMC group. Start by putting the Cardo headset into mobile phone pairing mode. You should see the LEDs go red and blue. Then with the camera on, go to your settings, make sure voice control is activated if you wanna be able to control the camera from the headset, and go over to your Bluetooth headphones icon. When you see the Cardo headset show up, just go ahead and select it. And that's it. And you'll see that little earbuds icon when you know that these two are talking with each other.
Okay, yeah, that was super easy.
Now, if you have a Cardo that's running our second generation of DMC and you want to record the entire group's conversation, we'll have to set that up a little bit different. First, make sure your Cardo is in Bluetooth intercom mode, indicated by a blue flashing LED. Then start a normal intercom pairing. Then we'll go back to that same Bluetooth headphone screen, and when you see the new other device show up, whether it has a name or not, go ahead and select it. And once connected, the Insta360 will be paired as your rider A. Switching the unit back over to DMC intercom mode will automatically reconnect you with the members of your group. Then simply tap the intercom button 3 times, which will open the Bluetooth intercom bridge to the camera, at which point the camera is now recording everybody in the group. And that's it, so let's shut this thing down.
Shut down camera.